In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change size on Temu orders. If you've ever ordered clothing or accessories online, you know how important it is to get the right size. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to adjust item sizes on Temu before and after placing an order so you can avoid unnecessary returns and make sure everything fits as expected. The process is simple once you know where to look, and I'll break it down clearly so you can follow along with ease. To begin, open the Temu website and sign into your account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to register first so you can manage your orders properly. Once you're logged in, you can start browsing for the product you want to purchase. When you find an item you're interested in, click on it to open the product page. Before adding it to your cart, you'll see available size options displayed on the page. Select the size that best fits your needs. If you're unsure, take a moment to review the size guide provided, as this can help you choose more accurately and reduce the chances of needing an exchange later. If you've already added items to your cart and want to make a change before completing your purchase, go to the cart icon located at the top of the page. Open your cart and locate the item you want to modify. Click the small arrow or expand option next to the product details and the item settings will open. From there, you can adjust the size to your preferred option. After making your selection, be sure to save or update the changes so your cart reflects the correct details. If your order has already moved into processing and you can no longer edit the size, there is still another option. You may need to cancel the order if it has not yet been shipped and then place a new order with the correct size selected. This ensures you still receive the right item without confusion. However, if the item has already been shipped, you will need to wait for it to arrive. Once delivered, you can initiate a return through Temu's return process and either request a refund or receive store credit, which can then be used to reorder the correct size. And that is how you can manage and change item sizes on Temu to ensure a smoother shopping experience from start to finish. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.